So good day mga boss, madam. Yan, engine cleaning by Hap Arnold and Zetzer. Yan, almost done unit. Yan, sa nagsasabing mga boss, madam, na masisira pag mabasa. Maraming engineer po ang mga sasakyan mga boss, madam. At nakasealed na po yan lahat. Yan, details na lang, almost done, almost finished. Very wow. Yan, update lang. Day 64V manual, almost done. Galing Rastafari, oh.
Yeah, Rastafari.
Rastafari pa.
Rasta gang.
Yan, ito yung kulay, so iba buffing pa. Ito yung Sikihor. Ayan, oh. Very wow naman. Oy. Very wow engine. Very wow. Very wow engine. Hap works. Check natin yung ano tawag nito? Yung bohol. So for releasing na this month. Yan. So almost done, cleaning na. Yan, nag-ayos tayo dyan. Dyan talaga tayo natagalan. Sa mga, ito naman is yung, kita nyo naman. Oh, very wow naman. Ay. So yung camper truck natin. So as of now, mainit naman. So, peace.